welcome back. I hope you all again are having an amazing day. So yes, this is one of my favorite subscriptions. I cannot wait. This is the September 2019 UpBox. All right. Thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you all are having an amazing day. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, from lifestyle boxes to snack boxes, candle boxes, beauty boxes, and everything. We just do it all here. So in addition, we do live streams, product reviews, and giveaways. We have such a great time. We do currently have 4 active giveaways on our channel. We have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. We also have the thrift bag giveaway, where I'm giving away a brand new Betsy Johnson backpack. Those both end on the 22nd, so just a little bit of time left. Then we have our makeup and skincare giveaway, where there's going to be 2 winners. That ends the first week of October. And our final giveaway right now is the, I'm giving away some products from the September 2019 Boxy Luxe. So that is actually going to end on October 13th. So you've got some time for that one. So check them out and enter. But UpBox. So I've been unboxing this for months, but I still want to let you know, if you are unfamiliar, UpBox is encouragement in a box. We are passionately providing products with purpose to encourage every woman's spiritual and self-care journey. We curate monthly captivating Christian-themed boxes filled to the brim with handmade, natural and vegan, lifestyle and beauty products or beauty goodies, candles, lotions, scrubs, bath soaks, makeup, jewelry, and more. And you guys, when they say they fill these boxes to the brim, they aren't joking. These boxes are always filled with so many amazing, gorgeous products, and the themes that they come up with, they literally stick to with every item in the box. It blows my mind how they do it. So it's just, I don't know, it's just absolutely amazing. But you will receive 8 to 10 full-size items every month. And each month it does include little mini scripture cards, encouragement cards. And this is one thing that I really, really like. They donate 20% of their profits to the Jesus Way Foundation, which I think is fantastic. So not only is this box absolutely amazing, they give back. And I love that. Now, this does only ship within the US, and it is $39.95 a month, but I have a promo code for you guys. So you can use the promo code UpBox50 and you will save 50% off your first order. So let's get in here and see the September box. Now, I have seen some sneak peeks on Instagram, so I cannot wait. Like I said, this box never disappoints. It is always so fantastic and just gorgeous, and I love it so much. So So this is what we see when we open it right here. So the theme for September 2019 is Be Still. So it says, "Be still and know that I am God," from Psalm 46:10. Sorry, I have tape on me. I just noticed from where I cut the box. All right, so we always have a card on top here, gorgeous with the theme. And then they include a card that kind of tells you about the products and some of the featured artisans. So it says, "Welcome to your Be Still UpBox. We've reached the time of year where the curtain is closing on summer and fall begins to greet us with cooler mornings, which are great for meditating on His Word, and cozy evenings, which lend themselves to more togetherness with loved ones. And the time has come to just be still. So I absolutely love that. It is gorgeous. And you guys, the packaging is always stunning. There's always the squigglies, but do you see the little flowers, the little like paper roses? Aren't they gorgeous? They are always in every box. I save these little guys because they're just so pretty. Like, why would you not? They're stunning. So let me put those to the side and move some of these squigglies so we can see all of our goodness. Oh. Okay. So this is what I see when I move some of the squigglies. Like I said, they always do pack this box. I don't know how they do it. All right. So here we have a Be Still sticker from Blessed Carta. So that is nice. Here we have the two like postcards. Be still and know that I am God. These are our little notes. Like there's two of them with envelopes, so you can write a little message and just set them somewhere or pass them all, along to someone that you care for. So I love that. There's two sets of them. And then this, I believe, is a bookmark. Yes, to touch as these designs bookmark with linen texture and protective coating. And again, it says, be still and know that I am God. It's gorgeous. On the back, look at that, stunning. And this says, be still and know. So this is one of the scripture cards from Gracious Word. These are just beautiful. Everything is beautiful. I am surrounded and filled with infinite wisdom. That's one side. And then the other side says, I am one with the very power that created me. This power loves all its creations, including me. I like that. Oh, I love that. I think that may be it as far as cards and different things. And then now we just have the other products. So we have two products from Soap and Paper Factory. So we'll start with that. We have a nude lip butter right here. Natural, protective, jojoba and coconut oil with shea butter, wild crafted herbs, beeswax, and essential oils. So there is that. And then you can see it's tinted just a little bit. So a lip balm, it says in the nude. Did I say that? Nude lip butter, which is great for this time of year. And then we have a soothing face mask. And this says featuring organic spirulina and kaolin clay. Soothing clay. Apply a generous amount to clean face, neck, and décolleté. Leave on 5 to 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. No parabens, no phthalates, no petrochemicals, no animal testing. It says, purify and nourish your skin with Mission Grove's Soothing Clay Mask, formulated with antioxidant-rich organic spirulina and purifying kaolin clay. This mask soothes your skin while gently and thoroughly cleansing your pores. This mask is a must for sensitive skin. So there's that, and it's very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, we have some from Appeal Cosmetics. Oh, there's some highlighter drops. Bronze highlighting drops. So see, they're sticking with the black and white theme. So here are the drops. Bronze highlighter drops for summertime year-round glow. Again, it's Appeal Cosmetics. And then we have something wrapped up here. Oh, this is cute. This is from Banter and this is Banter and Bliss Candle Co. Glass jar of matches. There's 60 of them. That's cute. And then it's got a little strip right there. And I'm guessing that that is because we have a candle. Again, simple, black and white. And this is Light My Candle Co. This is Very Vanilla. This is a soy candle. Very Vanilla handmade soy candle. Light My Candle Co. shop.etsy.com. Oh, it says Very Vanilla, but y'all, that smells like birthday cake or y'all, that smells so good. Oh, that smells so good. All right, so let's see. So that is cute. I love the little glass jar of matches with the candle. That's cute. All right, so then we have a set of pins, Sweetwater Decor Scripture Pin Set. It says, one says, be still and know, and then the other says, he has plans for you. This is so nice. And I love pins, and I love that that's what that says. So yeah, from Sweetwater Decor, Be Still Pin Set. So again, black and white, and obviously Be Still, so it totally goes with the theme. And there's one more product, and I'm guessing, yep, it's buried. Oh wait, hold on, I take that back. We have another card. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. Those who soar on wings like eagles, they will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Isaiah 40:31. Awesome. Let me make sure there's not any more little... Oh, there's 2 more things in here. Just, this box never stops. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is also from Sweetwater Decor, Pink and Gold Fabric Journal. So it is canvasy feeling, and you can see it says Sweetwater Decor. But you guys, this is one of my favorite quotes. She believed she could, so she did. Oh my gosh. And then it's just lined inside, but it does have a little like bookmark page thing. I love this so much. So much. Oh my goodness. And there was one more thing down in the bottom. It's not on the card. But just so you know, the value of this box is over $150. So you can see that right there. And it's $39.95. And like I said, you can use the promo code UpBox50 and get 50% off. And as you can see, this literally is the box that never ends. Like, there's always so much stuff in here. Oh, I love this. Okay, so it's like a reusable shopping bag that first of all is just gorgeous, but says be still and know. Like, how awesome is that? I love using the reusable shopping bags like this, but that they found one that is not only gorgeous, but literally has the quote for the theme. That is amazing. So we have this gorgeous reusable bag, the journal, the pin set, the candle with the cute little matches. We have the clay mask, the lip butter, the Appeal Cosmetics highlighter drops. We have the bookmark right here. We have the little affirmation cards that are just gorgeous, and I just love those. The Be Still sticker. And then we have our little cards we can pass along, you guys. And then let's not forget our 2 little postcards. See what I mean when I say when they describe that they fill their boxes to the brim, they're not joking. They are loaded and they are so amazing, and I just love it. You can't help but to feel just good when you open this subscription and smile, and it's just amazing. I love it so much. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, as well as that promo code. Definitely check them out, you guys. They are amazing. They blow me away every month. Like I said, you can't open this box and not smile. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.